Well, Autistic Explorer back. It looks like they're done over here. I came out here a little while ago. They were shooting massive fireworks. I'm going to go check elsewhere, so you might want to stay tuned for the next. Oh, wait. Wait, what's that? Oh, wow. Those are small ones, though. Those are like nothing. Well, I'm gonna. I'm going to. I'm gonna go find. I'm gonna go find more fireworks. If I can't find any more, folks, I'll let you know. But happy 4th of July of 2026.